In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do a voiceover reel, whether in the Instagram app, and I'm gonna show you how to use InShot, another video editing app that you can also use to create voiceovers if you want to. And before we jump into how to do it, I have it all pulled up on my phone right here. I just wanna let you know that I do have a free class on Instagram Reels and overcoming your biggest frustrations with Reels. So if you're interested in that, link will be down below. And now let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. All right, so I told you I was gonna show you how to do it in Instagram first. So I have Instagram pulled up and I'm gonna go ahead and tap, let me just turn my volume down. Go ahead and tap edit up here. And this is a reel that I have already created and edited. So it would be the exact same process if you are in Instagram, the Reels editor, and you create a video and then you tap the next button at the bottom right, it'll bring you to this page next. This is where you can really edit your reel, add a bunch of text, you can add just a lot of different things. But what we're going to show you how to do is at the very top, you're gonna see a little microphone, okay? So all you have to do is tap on that microphone and this is where you are able to do a voiceover. So how this works, it's kind of self-explanatory, but at the bottom it says tap or hold to record audio over the video. So what we're going to do is I'm gonna think about what I want to say. So for this, I'm just gonna show you an example of like the first part of it. And the first part of this says, we found this spot next to the trash cans and thought it'd be the perfect spot for photos. And so I'm gonna say that into my voiceover if like that's what I want to say. So let me go ahead and just do that. We found this spot next to trash cans and decided it was perfect for photos. All right, and then let's go ahead. If you do record a voiceover and you want to delete what you've done, the last section, you just tap the little back arrow. And like you probably saw me do, all you do is tap and hold on that red button. And then when you're done doing that part of the voiceover, you just release it. And you can, do like little snippets at a time. So you don't have to remember the whole thing that you want to do. All right, so once we're done here, we're going to go ahead and hit done. And then I'm going to turn this on and show you what it sounds like. We found the spot next to trash cans and decided it was perfect for photos. All right, another thing I want to show you guys is if you actually hit the music button at the very top, you can adjust your audio on here. So for example, like I can bring up the camera audio from the original video if I want to. And then you can also, if you add background music with a voiceover, you can bring the background music up or down. And so if you want to add background music, I recommend bringing it to around 5-ish is where I put it. Okay. All right, so that's how you do it within Reels. So once you are done, that's how you create your voiceover. If you're curious about any of those other features, be sure to check out, there's a full Instagram Reels tutorial we have on this channel. So we'll have that linked down below if you want to explore some of these other features, or if you're not even sure how to get to, that editing page of Instagram, that tutorial is going to be great for you because it's going to show you how to do that. Now, I'm going to pull up the InShot app and show you how I would do this within InShot. All right, now I have InShot pulled up. And again, I actually also have a complete InShot tutorial. So we'll link that down below if you are interested in checking that out after this. But I have a video pulled up in InShot, and InShot is not a completely free program, just to be completely transparent, but it's one of the best programs that I personally love using, and it's only $34.99 for lifetime access. So if you're interested in trying it out though, there's, I believe, a free trial, and then you can also pay $4.99 for 1 month's worth just to see if you like it. But I have InShot pulled up. I have the same video pulled up in this app. And so if I want to add a voiceover, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap the music right here. And then you see that little record icon there. I'm going to tap on record. And this is where you're able to record a voiceover. So it's actually recording right now. So whenever you're done like talking, you would hit the red button. And then the X is going to delete it. The check mark's going to like say, yes, I like this voiceover. And then you can also tap the little circular arrow and it will redo that part of the voiceover. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'm going to talk into it and do a similar voiceover like we did in the Instagram app, and then I'll show you how to edit from there. We found this spot next to the trash cans and it decided it was perfect for photos. Want to see the results? Okay, so now I'm going to hit the check mark because I want to keep that. And then once you've done that, you'll see you'll have some options with editing this. So for example, there's the little white boxes with like the little oh my gosh, I'm totally blanking. The little, little gray line in the white box. If you tap on that, you're able to drag where you want the voiceover to begin and end. So maybe like you liked your voiceover and then you messed up at the very end. You could like chop off the end and then re-record that part of the voiceover. Want to see the results? Okay, so I'm gonna hit the check mark. And so yeah, this is where you have a lot of options. You can also tap on volume right here and you can adjust the volume of a specific part of the voiceover, which is really handy. You can also scroll all the way back and hit play to see how it's sounding, which is very, very exciting. So let's go ahead and tap the check mark, and then to save this and add it into Reels, you're just going to tap at the very top, tap save. And once this is done saving, I'm gonna bring it over into the Instagram Reels app and show you how to edit it from there, especially adjusting like the audio level. All right, so I have the Instagram Reels editor part of the app pulled up. I'm gonna go ahead and swipe up right here and we're gonna tap on that last video because that's the one we just exported from InShot. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn the volume up so you guys can hear the voiceover from InShot and how it sounds. We found this spot next to the trash cans and I decided it was perfect for photos. Want to see the results? Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna tap add right here. And just the things I want to note, so when we hit preview down at the bottom, we can tap that music icon like we did before. This is where you can adjust. Now the voiceover, because we already did it in InShot, is a part of the camera audio, okay? So that's where you can like turn it up and turn it down. And you can also add background music. So for example, maybe I want this as my background music, and then we can adjust this down so that I usually bring it around 5-ish, so that it's like background music behind our voiceover. So let me show you how that sounds. Let me turn this up and preview again. We found this spot next to the trash cans and I decided it was perfect for photos. All right, perfect. So then from there, we hit next and we're able to do everything else within Reels. Again, if you wanna know all the things about all of this, I have that Reels tutorial you can go ahead and watch. And I hope this is really helpful. I also have a free 1-hour class all about overcoming your biggest frustrations with Instagram Reels, like how they take a lot of time, or how you can't come up with ideas, or growing your reach with them, reaching the right target audience, all of those things I go over in the class. So if that sounds interesting to you at all, the link will be right down below this video and you can dive into that. It's completely free to tune in and I would absolutely love to help you even more with Instagram Reels. And if you have any requests for any other tutorials you want me to do, any other types of Reels you want me to show you how to do, as always, drop a comment below because this video was actually requested by a lot of you to do. And so I hope that it was helpful. And if there's anything else I can help with, please let me know. And as always, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, notification bell, all of those things, because it really does help to support me and my channel and for it to grow, to reach more people, and for you to stay notified when new videos go live every single Tuesday. And I can't wait to see you in next week's video. Bye guys.